Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush from More Reviews, aka the Discover Boss. So we're on Wint Drive at the new Stewart's Automotive Auto Gallery for Jaguar and Land Rover. I wanted to cover the location, you know, do a video for you guys, but they're not opened. They're not open to the public as yet. So they're still under construction. The official opening will be in another month. What they recently had was really a media launch for the media house, but it's still not yet open. So I know a lot of persons was looking out for this video, including myself. So it's gonna be delayed a bit until they're officially open. So this is the home of Jaguar and Land Rover. So it's a very short video, guys, just giving you guys a quick update on the construction. The cost is 17 million US. It will be a state-of-the-art showroom from the Stewart's Automotive Group, and the car brands will be Jaguar and Land Rover. So definitely leave your comments, guys, in terms of what you think so far. Definitely like and share the video as well. And once they're officially opened, you guys will get that full video tour. So this is just a sneak peek. Alright guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting the channel.